looking like a good fresh start for the next season. Obviously, a couple of the senior players have gone. Hopefully, moving a couple of the young ones up, getting involved in the squad.
It was good for myself. I just started off as filling in for the injuries, and as the season went on, I just progressed better and better, and before I know it, I was winning awards. The benchmark now is to win the same awards as I did this year, so that's the least I can get. So hopefully I can move on now.
Obviously, lads coming in have got to step up to the plate now, and hopefully we'll kick on and do well. Kevin Montero come last season, and towards the end of the season he was flying, doing well. So yeah, we've got probably 6 or 7 on trial at the minute from Portugal. So hopefully they can make a similar impact.